Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these creative Pebble desktop or laptop speakers. As you can see here, there's a 3.5mm jack and a USB-C. I got this specifically for my laptop so I can plug it in because my laptop takes USB-C. If you have like a MacBook or similar new laptops, they all have the USB-C port, so this is important. As you can see here, you got the volume knob on the left side. It clicks in. There's also a light to let you know when it's on. You've got these nice little things you can push in there. Nice pads on the bottom, anti-skid. You've also got another thing you can push right there. So this thing produces very nice sound. And on the bottom here, you've actually got a switch, as you can see, for gain. I just keep it on the H side. I think that sounds a little bit better. But yeah, that's it overall. These things sound very, very good. I use them for gaming, but I also always listen to music with them. I highly recommend these. Thanks for watching.